Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to present about the topic metal stamping. So metal stamping is a manufacturing process used to convert flat metal sheet into various shapes using a number of metal forming techniques and designs. It is a fast and cost-effective solution for this large quantity manufacturing need. Manufacturers mainly look for three important qualities such as high quality and durability, low cost, fast turnaround time. It is a complex process that can include a number of metal forming techniques such as blanking, punching, bending and piercing. So now we move on to basic concept of metal stamping. First one, punching and blanking. In punching operations, a scrap piece of material is removed as punch enters the die effectively, leaving a hole in the workpiece. In blanking, this process is about cutting the rough outline or shape of the product. This stage is about minimizing and avoiding burrs, which can drive up the cost of a part and extend lead time. Next one is embossing. Sheet metal embossing is a stamping process for producing raised or sunken design or relief in sheet metal. It has some characteristics such as the ability to form ductile metals, use in medium to high production runs, the ability to maintain same metal thickness before and after embossing, the ability to produce unlimited patterns depending on roll dies. Next one is coining. This action is when the edges of a stamped metal part are struck to flatten or break the burr. This can create a much smoother edge in cont area of part geometry. This can also add additional strength to localized areas of part, and this can be utilized to avoid secondary processes like deburring and grinding. Next one is bending. When you are designing the bends into stamped metal part, it is important to allow for enough material. Some important factors considered in this case are: if a bend is made too close to the hole, it can become deformed. Every corner in your blank design should have a radius that is at least half of material thickness. Now we move on to the types of metal stamping. First one is progressive die stamping. So it uses a type of tooling called a progressive die, which contains multiple stamping stations to carry out simultaneous operations on a sheet metal strip. By combining all necessary tools into one die set, progressive die stamping is a great solution for high volume production runs. Next one is four-slide stamping. It is also known as multi-slide stamping. It's a sophisticated metalworking process that integrates stamping and forming operations to fabricate small, intricate components from metal coils or wire. This process offers several key benefits over traditional process methods, including improved versatility, increased speed, lower production costs, etc. Next one is deep draw stamping. It refers to the process of forming metal sheet under compressive and tensile conditions into a cavity, producing a closed bottom, round or irregularly shaped. It is a sheet metal forming process in which a sheet metal blank is radially drawn into a forming die by mechanical action or punch. This process is considered deep drawing when the depth of drawn part exceeds its diameter. And the last one is transfer die stamping. It is similar to progressive die, but part is transferred from station to station by a mechanical transport system. A transfer die can be single die by itself or a number of dies or machines arranged in rows to form a production line. It is an excellent option for production of stamping. It is a sheet metal forming process in which a sheet metal blank is radially drawn into a forming die by mechanical action or punch. It is an excellent option for production stamping and often offers the benefit of lower tooling cost. Examples: transfer die can be used in shells, tube applications, frames and structural components, etc. Now we move on to the advantages. Lower die cost, lower secondary cost, high level of automation compared to other processes, less expensive, faster production, high level of automation lowers the cost of labor. Disadvantages: higher cost of process, dies can be difficult to manage. It is not always easy or fast to acquire the dies needed in metal stamping, high tooling and equipment cost. And applications include it can be applied to a variety of materials based on unique metalworking qualities for a number of applications across a wide range of industries. Also involved in three-dimensional designs, lettering or other surface engraving features. Stamping products are commonly produced for home appliance manufacturers, automotive companies, lighting industries, aerospace, etc. This process is used for producing both parts for large machinery and also incredibly detailed parts. So these are the references. Thank you.